Hey, what is going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be going over why I see Palantir as a possible short entry. I'm going to be showing you guys three key fundamental reasons why the stock has been a little bit bearish for the past couple of days. We're going to be hopping on the charts, going over the technicals and the key levels that I am looking for to enter that short area. So guys, as you guys know, Palantir relies heavily on government contracts, especially with defense agencies. So recently the Pentagon announced a $50 billion budget cut for the upcoming year. With reduced spending in the sector, companies like Palantir could face slow revenue growth. If the government starts tightening its budget, Palantir's biggest source of revenue could take a hit, making its current valuation harder and harder to justify. The second reason is a report that came out yesterday that the CEO is selling shares. CEO Alex Karp has filed to sell nearly 10 million shares worth over $1.2 billion by 2025. Insider selling on this scale is something to always watch, as it can signal a lack of confidence in the company's future performance. And then, while there can be many reasons for insiders to sell, it raises questions about whether the stock is overvalued, or if they see the stock as overvalued, or they see future revenue possibly decreasing. And then the third point is about that valuation. So Palantir is currently trading at 75 times its expected revenue, making it one of the most expensive AI stocks in the market. At this valuation, any slowdown in growth could lead to sharp correction. So if the stock fails to meet the market's expectations, investors may start taking profits, putting pressure on the price. So guys, I'm going to be hopping on Palantir's charts and show you guys the key levels that I will be watching for possible areas to be shorting this. So if we look at Palantir, we can see that this thing dropped nearly 25% from the highs as of yesterday when the report started coming out. We can see Palantir now has ran up about 12% from the low that it made today. Actually a little bit more than 12% from the low that it made today. And I want to show you guys the level that I am watching, which is actually the level that we are at right now. So you know I like to combine my fundamentals with my technicals to find possible opportunities. And we can see for Palantir, we have this obvious level right here, which is around that 106, 107 level. So we had a nice rejection at this area. We pulled back down sub 100, and then we started having a little bit of consolidation, and we had that nice breakout to all-time highs. After that flush yesterday, Palantir broke below this demand level, and we went all the way down to about $95 per share. We are starting to recover right now, but look at the area that we have recovered to, which is that 106, 107 area. And that is an old demand zone, which is now a supply level. There will be sell orders sitting there. And if the overall market sees Palantir possibly as a risky stock compared to the way it was a couple of days ago, if that selling pressure comes in, this would be the area where I would be watching for that selling pressure to come in. So right now, I'll be watching Palantir for the next few minutes to see if this thing struggles to break above this. If we see a breakout above 108, well, that tells us that buyers are still interested and they're not really worried about those reports that are coming in. If we see that break, hold of that 108, we can continue higher right back to all-time highs. But right now, if we fail to break above this 108 level, then I will be looking to short this thing, potentially taking profits at the $96 area. If we break below 96, I will be looking for us to go all the way down to $84 per share. So like I said, this 106, 107 area that we are at right now is the area to be watching. We can see we are already rejecting this area. We can see a couple doji candles coming in right now, and I'll be looking to take a short position here really soon. So guys, that is all for this video. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.